It's ideas like these that repel 99.8% of women from this channel. But come on, I think this is freaking funny. Behold the listener Sadication. I'll play about 20 seconds of this and later on you'll get the whole thing.
I know it sounds so stupid, but he's gonna be the best. Jason left me because he got accepted into the professional cornhole league in Ohio, and he said he couldn't have a distraction in the stands while he's tossing the bags.
Oh my goodness. That is just so beautiful. Oh, I feel for her, don't you? Oh, glorious. Just the heart-wrenching emotion oozing from the radio. This soon could be airing on your radio station if you are so bold and emotionally daring.
We are on the air.
I'm Jeff, the radio DJ dude, and to the 0.2% of you lovely ladies tuning in, oh my goodness, I love you deeply, madly, and with every ounce of my being. So thank you for being there. Okay, so I'm on my way home one night, and Delilah, very popular, long-time dedication lady DJ, that sounds horrible. Anyway, she comes crackling over in the air, and she takes a phone call from a distraught female listener. And I know it's horrible, and this is why I repel many women, but don't cry for me, Argentina. I mean, that's been going on since I was a teenager. But I'm listening to this, and of course, I'm not trying to belittle this caller's emotions, but bing, I think this is perfect. What listener wouldn't love to hear a sadication instead of a boring cliche dedication? So to the AI laboratory I go. I come up with a couple master prompts that are going to spit out just the right vocal style for the caller and just the right script. And the goal of these scripts are to be ridiculous but believable. They need to be dripping with emotion. A caller, and it could be a male caller too, they're just really overwrought with heart-wrenching emotion because something happened in their life. I teased you with the first half of that call. Let's jump back in and hear the whole thing. Okay, the lines are wide open at XXX80s, and I am ready to listen. So if you've got a story that's weighing on your heart, well, please call in. Let's go to the phones right now.
I know it sounds so stupid, but he's gonna be the best. Jason left me because he got accepted into the professional cornhole league in Ohio, and he said he couldn't have a distraction in the stands while he's tossing the bags. He's got the wrist flick of an angel, you know? I really thought we were soulmates, but I guess I have to let my apex athlete go. Can you just play Unbreak My Heart for my beanbag king, please? I'm gonna miss him so much.
When I heard that sobbing output, I knew this was a bit. This is the thing. Too funny. And yes, this is using Gemini 2.5 voices, not the new 3.1. And what I've got before we go any further, if you're digging this, and if you can't wait to hear more examples, which I do have coming up, I've got 3 versions of this prompt, and I'm probably going to throw in at least 5 produced listener Sadication jingles for you. I'm going to sprinkle them in throughout this video so you kind of get a peek at what they sound like. The first prompt produces a script for a solo caller, like you just heard. Now let's do one more. Why not?
Listener Sadication, oh so sad.
Hi, it's Chloe. I'm trying to be brave, but my fiance Mark, he broke off the engagement last night. He's training for the national hot dog eating circuit, and he told me my home cooking was it was ruining his capacity and messing with his stomach expansion. He said he needs to be at one with the Frankfurter and not me. Can you play without you? Cause he's got a 10-minute limit, but I wanted forever.
I just love those. Now, the second prompt creates a script for a DJ intro, the caller, and then a quick DJ outro. And prompt number 3, which I'm about to play you a sample of, it is a little more interactive. So check this out.
It's Johnny Love on Triple X 80s, and the phone lines are heavy tonight. I've got Brenda on the line. Talk to me.
Hi, Johnny. Thanks for taking my call. I'm not doing so great. My boyfriend Steve, he packed his bags this morning. I thought we were forever, you know?
I'm right here with you, Brenda. Take a breath. Why did he say he had to go?
He's the regional runner-up for the air guitar championships, and he said he needs to focus on his invisible fretwork.
An air guitar tour, wow.
He said my crunching on potato chips was ruining his sense of rhythm, and now he's going on tour to a pizza parlor in Des Moines. I just want my rock star back. Can you play Careless Whisper? Cause Steve's never gonna dance again in my living room.
Brenda, we're gonna get this one out for you. Stay strong. Here's George Michael on Triple X 80s.
The only way we're able to pull this off is through the power of Gemini voices and the proper acting cues embedded in these scripts, which my master prompts know how to pull the strings to get just the right acting cues to match the mandatory emotions that we're looking for. And it just comes together beautifully. So if you're like, hell yeah, I want to have some fun on my station, I mean, this is great for a morning show, a late night dedication show, or just to sprinkle in. But don't overdo this. I think 1 or at the most 2 of these bits a day is plenty. Because I think when a listener hears this, they're totally going to be spun around and caught off guard because it's not anything they're expecting. A Sadication? What? What the heck's that? So you don't want to wear out this bit too soon. So space this out, figure out when you have the most listeners, and then boom, stun them with fun. You can find all this madness right down here, link in the description. Yes, I've got the prompts, I've got the prefab jingles for you, and come on, you save a ton of time, but you could totally pull this off by yourself. Just hit your favorite chatbot and describe what we've done here. You know, come up with a way to generate a fun sounding listener dedication script. However, the listener is really sad, so the script has to be kind of ridiculous for the reason of the call, but believable at the same time. You then go over to Google AI Studio and use Gemini's text-to-speech, and you can output these voice tracks and get them on the air. Another thing, you don't have to produce the DJ AI script. I mean, you can do it. I mean, that works perfectly too, and I think that's better if you are on the air or if your voice tracker show. It's better to have your voice up front and even interacting with the call. Even though the caller is an AI voice, you still could be, verbally acknowledging, oh, okay, or slice and dice. You can cut yourself in mid-call, so that sells that illusion that much more. So there's a lot of directions you can run with this in, and if you come up with something even better, well, come on, don't hoard that. Please share it with the crowd, drop it in the comments. Traditional dedications are a staple of radio, but the problem with being a staple, they're usually overdone, they're cliche, they're borderline boring. Been there, heard that. So, as broadcasters of this new millennium, it's our job to spin things around and look at them for a new angle and figure out how could we kind of elevate this, old school bit of a dedication and put a fresh spin on it. And that's why I think these listener Sadications are a real fun way to parody a beloved radio segment. Everybody loves making dedications. So why not poke a little fun? And when you do that, you really wake people up, because again, this is the last thing that someone would ever expect to hear on your radio station. And that's a good thing, because then they bookmark you as, oh, that's something fresh. I cannot get what they are serving up anywhere else. And you know what? Because of that, they might just listen to you longer, come back to you more often, and that's the goal of all of us. Give listeners a reason to, listen. Okay, go get your hankies, have fun with this, and if you got any delight from this little ditty, I would love a like and a subscribe from you. I do thank you very much. Oh, and please, when the 0.2% of the ladies are clicking like and subscribe, please do it very slowly and seductively. See, this is exactly why my numbers just dropped down to 0.1%. Enough. I am Jeff, the radio DJ dude, repelling women since 1985 and reminding you to, yes, keep those mics rocking all over the world.